Reflection on Episode 43, Season 1, Anime. End of the Fishman Empire. Nami's my friend. Daily thought. Standing up for someone can change their world. When you break down what holds someone back, you help them rise. Be that friend. This powerful episode marks the climax of the Arlong Park arc. Luffy defeats Arlong in an emotionally charged battle, not just with strength, but with purpose. His destruction of Arlong Park, especially Nami's prison-like map room, is a symbolic act of liberation that sets her free both physically and emotionally. Lessons learned. Real strength fights for others. Luffy doesn't care about pride or domination. He fights to free his friend from years of pain. Destruction can be healing. Breaking the room where Nami was forced to draw maps is an act of compassion, not rage. Trivia and insights. Luffy yelling, "Nami is my friend," is one of the most iconic and quoted lines in One Piece history.